All right, guys, so this is Tony, not related to the actual Tony Stark, but he is going to be going to PAX, and he's got the finished glove, Iron Man glove. So go ahead and turn it on, Tony. Let's see what it does. All right, so when he holds it up, it charges. And he's still kind of getting the hang of it. You have to hold it at just the right angle to trigger the firing sequence. So he's got all night to practice. There we go. There's the firing sequence. And it should just continue to charge up and fire. So when he holds it up and holds it facing towards us, it will charge. And if he continues holding it, it will fire. But if he brings it down, then it discharges. So there we go, there's the firing. It's got several different fires and charging sounds that it chooses randomly. But there you go, you get the hang of it. There we go, there's the firing. So this uses an accelerometer to tell how you're holding it. And if you hold it at just the right angle, that's when it actually fires. So there you go. You'll get the hang of it by tomorrow.
I hope
so. And
so.
hopefully he'll see you guys there at PAX.